Hello dear children, welcome back to the class, and we have finished in the previous class subtraction of one digit numbers without borrowing. And today I am going to take a topic that is subtraction of two digit number without borrowing. So we have finished one digit number and today I am going to teach you two digit numbers, that is without borrowing. Okay, when the greater number, from greater number to smaller number, we can minus easily, we can subtract easily. When it comes a smaller number to greater number to subtract, then we have to go for borrow. Okay, so now we are going to do without borrowing. Okay, yes, we'll see the examples now. The first one is 56 minus 32. So we have to do now ones place and tens place. We have to write it properly. Okay. Now, so 6 is a greater number, 2 is a small number, isn't it? So from greater number to small number, we can subtract the numbers easily, isn't it? There is no confusion. Okay. So that is what we call without borrowing. So let's start to subtract these numbers. So show me 6 fingers now. Yes, from there you have to minus 2 fingers. You have to fold your 2 fingers. So fold your 2 fingers now. 1, 2. So what you get now? Remaining number is 4. So the answer is 4. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. The next is 5 minus 3. So 5 is a greater number, 3 is a small number. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So what we got, the final answer is 24. So when we subtract the numbers, we have to see now greater number and smaller number. Then we have to subtract properly. Okay. We'll move to the next one, that is 64 minus 52. 64 minus 52. So here 4 is a great number, 2 is a small number. So from 4 we can subtract 2 easily. So now show me 4 fingers and subtract 3 fingers, and what we get, the answer is 2. And here 6 minus 5. So show me 6 fingers and minus 5 finger, and what we get, children? It is 1. So the answer is 12. Okay. The next one is, so here I forgot to write here ones and tens place, but you don't forget, children. Okay. So here the next number is 72 minus 20. So first we have to write ones and tens. So the next 2 minus 0. So what it is first? 2 minus 0. So 2 is a small number, 0 is nothing. It's a smaller number, or there is nothing. So 2 minus 0 is nothing. So what we have to write? We have to write the same number, that is 2. So 7 minus 2. 7 is a great number, 2 is a small number. So from 7 we have to minus 2. Now show me your 7 fingers. So now fold your 2 fingers. Now tell me the answer. How much you got? 5, isn't it? So 52 is the answer. Got it? Yes. The next one is 28 minus 16. 28 minus 16. This is ones place and this is tens place. So 8 is a great number, 6 is a small number. So from 8, 6 we can minus easily. So now show me 8 fingers and fold your 6 fingers. So what we get, the answer is, yes, exactly. What we got? 2. So we got the 2. The next one is tens place, that is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So how much we get? 1. So what is the total answer we got? 12. So 28 minus 16 is equal to 12. Let's move to the next example. The next example is 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30. So first of all, what we have to write, children? Very important. Ones place, tens place. Okay. Now, so we have to start from ones place now. 0 minus 0. How much, children? Obviously, it is 0 itself. Okay. Now, 6 minus 3. So 6 is great number, 3 is a small number. From 6, you have to minus 3. So show me your 6 fingers. And in that fold 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So remaining fingers are 3. So what we got the answer now? 30. Okay. So the answer is 30. The next example is 85 minus 43. 85 minus 43. This is ones place and this is tens place. Now 5 minus 3. So 5 is great number, 3 is a small number. Show me 5 fingers. In that you have to minus 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So what is the remaining answer is? It's 2. Okay. So these are all very basic, children. You have to thorough with these basic sums. Okay. The next one, tens place. That is 8 minus 4. So open your 8 fingers and in that you have to fold 4 fingers. Okay. So minus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we got the answer is 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So 42 is the answer. The next one is 76 minus 12. 76 minus 12. This is ones place and this is tens place. 6 is a great number, 2 is a small number. From 6 we have to minus 2. So show me your 6 fingers and minus 2 fingers. In that you have to minus 2 fingers. 1, 2. So what is the remaining answer is 4. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. The next one, 7 minus 1. So show me your 7 fingers and minus 1 fingers in that. So what we got the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we got the answer, children, now? 6. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So 64 is the answer. The last one is 94 minus 81. 94 minus 81. So write the first is ones place and 10. So here 4 minus 1. So from 4 fingers you have to minus 1 finger. So what we get the answer is 3. The next is 9 minus 8. So from 9 fingers you have to minus 8 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we get the answer is 1. So what is the answer now? 13. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So total 94 minus 81 is equal to 13. So here we have completed the subtraction of 2-digit numbers without borrowing. Okay. So we have completed without borrowing of 2-digit number subtraction. Okay. So here I am going to give you some homework related to this topic. Let's move to the homework. So dear children, here are the homeworks. The first one is 20 minus 10. Second one, 98 minus 65. Third one, 71 minus 41. And the fourth one is 34 minus 23. And the fifth one is 85 minus 34. So you have to complete this given 5 homework. Okay. So find out the answer properly, and if you feel difficulty, kindly approach your parents, ask the difficulties, clear it properly. Otherwise you can call me and you can ask me anytime. I will help you. Okay. So write it properly in your classwork book and find out the answer and send me. Okay, see you in the next class children. Take care and bye bye.